just glad that we were able to come home with a gold medal and a national record, and to just allow them to get another gold medal. I'm so proud of us.
It's a fight.
Lots of talented artists on the horizon, and we're here with one such artist, Gramma Zone. Welcome, brother.
Blessings, Sanjay. Much love.
That I go. First of all, Gramma Zone, 3 words to describe your style for those who are not familiar, who've never heard of Gramma Zone, who've never heard your sound.
All right, so melodious, enigmatic, and global.
What's so enigmatic about Gramma Zone's music?
Because most people right now, they're searching for something that is out of the box. As a matter of fact, like, there's literally no box. I don't even think box, so people are super excited when they listen to something like Gramma Zone. They get what I say.
And melody is one of the more important elements of your songwriting.
Yeah, man, definitely, because we understand that, the longevity that it gives the song. Because, say lyrics appeal to the intellect, but melody appeal to the emotions. Everybody, we're naturally emotional beings, you get what I say, so we naturally have to aim for that.
What would you say are some of the artists that influence you?
Well, the first person I'm father, from the initial stage, I really see I do it. He probably not make it on a big stage, but the story there, when I see him, I'm the first person I see I do it on a level, and I say, yo, I want to have the craft, I want to have the skill there. Yeah. But on a more established level, we listen to Vado same way, you get what I say, like my Vado melody them, yeah. My rate Jay-Z same way, Kanye West definitely, you get what I say. Yeah, man, so
there's a lot of overseas influences, you'd say?
Globally, not just there, so because even Burna Boy, I like how Burna Boy doing things same way, and some nice melody same way. There's a girl named Enya, I don't know if everybody know her, but her melodies them sick same way, so I like listening to music there to bring something different. So I'm gonna really try to listen to everybody who are in a dancehall right now, because when you listen to them, you're gonna be influenced by them and sound like everybody. And people like difference.
You have a single called Gold Medal. Talk to me a little bit about it. What inspired it?
Gold Medal, it was inspired by an incident that occurred with a friend of mine, one of my brethren were drop out, and prominent person in Jamaica right now, and when me and him did have a conversation at UA one time after football, and him looked for me and said, Gramma Zone. Say you have the talent, and he tell me say you want to be a prime minister, and me tell him say I want to win a Grammy, and he must say like so much people just die and carry them skill and them talent to the cemetery where them could actually please the world with. And when me and him reason about that, like it moved me. But me still never act on it same time because me did have other things to act on. You get what I say? Mm-hmm. And it just so funny, so about a week or two later, I wake up and look for my WhatsApp dog, and it's a picture me I see with the man dead, brother. Me I say, yo, this don't make no sense, brother. Is me I say, yeah, man, and they shake up my heavens, and this or something. I know me make a decision, brother. I just God take over me. Is me I say, yo, nah, guys, cemetery with them skill. Greatness.
Therefore came the concept for the song.
Gold medal. Go for the medal and go for the goal. It's produced by Heights Records. You get what I say, and Moody Boy Entertainment. Team same way. Blessings.
How you got the name Gramma Zone? It look like a long time you have the name there.
Yeah, man, so from high school we go with the name there. We have search for something special, something different. I don't want it too unique, but I want it unique enough. Right? And at the end of the day, when time somebody hear the name, they must say, I know the word, but I don't know if I connect it to him. So it's spark curiosity to make them start research and think from back in the days. You get what I say? So I say, all right then. The first thing as a man here, Gramma Zone, they will come to him and say, yo, the poison thing then, the weed killer, that will naturally pop in their mind. But when me get my chance to add my clarity to it, it's a total different thing, because Gramma Zone is actually, whenever them get a chance to hear my music, it leave them in a zone of grammatical expression.
Next thing that a lot of people would find interesting is that you go to university, you even start your tertiary education as well.
Naturally.
Too.
Well, but the entertainment and cultural enterprise management, like my whole life, it has always been around the entertainment scene. I get what I say, because that's my natural passion. So I get through, as I said before, I get through for accounting, econ, and about 2 other courses at UA and UTech, and I'm family excited. I'm just never excited, because me personally have to direct my life, because I can't live for everybody, you get me? So I say, yo, I have to do something in entertainment to learn at least the theory of the business, so I can apply it to, to the reality of it. Same way.
So you did always know, say, you did want the music in the future. Was this your way of just having maybe a backup plan then, or something for a knowledge behind the creative aspect?
I've never ever thought about a backup plan, because this has always been my ultimate goal.
Life nice, so we go on. You actually started your master's degree.
Yeah, man, definitely.
And what was it that made you decide to, I'm not gonna further with that school thing, yeah?
At the end of the day, I realized that, it not gonna really make the difference in my area where me personally want to go. But if you think that it is what you need for advance your life, take it on, blessing same way. Because at the end of the day, I can see how it contribute a lot towards me, the first degree same way. You get what I say? However, there's a time come where you have to take on the world, you get what I say? And there's a lot in the books, but you have to live it as well.
And how did your family and your network feel about that decision at the time?
I never concerned, because at the end of the day we have one life and you can't live your one life to please everybody, bro. When you live your life to please everybody,
Yeah.
Who live it for you?
Do you ever regret making that decision?
Never. We aim for the top, because when it make no sense we make a sacrifice like that and come stop at airport, bro. Straight Gramma we are pray, get what I say? The highest point possible.
So what next now?
What next is this is just the beginning of the the iceberg, the momentum we are create right now, because as I said, bro, I plan this out, I live this, I been dreaming this for like 10, 15, 20 years, so long about now. So for me it's just living what has always been in my mind. So the plan is already there. So as I say, we just roll off the ball right now, kick off the momentum, we'll have the follow-up come up right now when name Greatness.
Is Gold Medal a part of like an EP or some type of a collection or body of work?
Yeah, man, it's a part of an EP called Greatness.
And rain and fall, but the intensity there same way, so we'll go and hold it out a little bit.
Yeah, man, we're not afraid of water.
Yeah, that's a go on. So, alright, so EP is coming out now, you know what I mean? The video for Gold Medal is out. You have the follow-up already lined up?
Yeah, man, the follow-up, man. Right now, you can hear it same way, man. You call Greatness, as I said before. We make mention of Gold Medal same way now to get what I said, because that's the direction we want the youths them go, because although we might new, brother, we not really new, You get what I say? We probably just new on the eye to people, but the knowledge and the influence we have in the industry, it's been there for years. Me right now, I know a lot of persons that watch this and them say, where know the youth are from? So the youth used to book me a youth for the party them. So the youth they used to this. So you get what I say? So we understand what we are doing, and it's just a matter of time, because in the absence of space and time, all we really have is now, bro. So we are accusing.
Last thing on Gramma Zone before we run out of the rain, yeah? Tell him what most makes Gramma Zone intense.
Him sense. Yeah, man.
That's a good one. Gramma Zone intense, cause of him sense.
Greatness.
Chop out.